The Rapid Response Unit of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly has started to rid the city and footbridges of people with mental disorder and hawkers. They are also removing posters that are defacing parts of the city. GBC 24 went around parts of Accra with the city authorities.
The exercise began around 10:30 a.m. at the Palm Nkrumah interchange with the removal of posters, the arrest of some people with mental disorders and others who are of sound mind but have turned the interchange into a place of abode. Some with mental disorder resisted arrest. All efforts from the past mayors to rid the streets and footbridges of hawkers and traders as part of efforts to decongest the city has been unsuccessful. The head of the Rapid Response Unit, Mr. Moses Abo, spoke about measures that will be put in place to sustain this particular exercise.
We want to make sure that we sustain cleanliness, we take the traders out of the pavement, and again make sure the squatters, the mad people, the beggars, we are going to make sure we take them out of the streets and make sure Accra become the clean city, as the president said. Mr.
Abo shared some challenges encountered. He issued a stern warning to the lawbreakers.
Those people who are lunatics, the mad people, are also another challenge. Sometimes when you go close to them, they are trying to arm you. For them, they don't care. Those churches, political parties, who at the time they paste the posters where it is not, we are advising them that we should help the president, we should help the government to make Accra clean. Whoever will see your posters under the bridge, if there is a telephone number, we will arrest you.
On Wednesday, the focus will be on ridding the streets of beggars from Nima and Kaneshi.